Bands aren't in favorable condition today. Altimeter is not synchronized. Somebody shut it off, turn it on, you got to recalibrate it. It's a pain in the arse because that's the VX5 kept it calibrated. Okay, so I went to the menu system. It's calibrated. It's holding the memory. But anyways, barometer pressure is varying. So of course, I don't know. I don't trust it.
Yeah, that'll set you in there. Drop it down. Drop it. Oh, looking pretty good so far. We're going to try to shut it over here. Okay. You keep coming about 3 more inches. Tell me what I'm doing. Quarter inch by quarter inch.
Come on. Focus your stupid thing.
The machinery is loud. You can't see me.
Listening to Alaska, the Last Frontier in the background. I don't know if you hear that. Bands are dead today. Son of a gun. I'm on the VX6, but I'm only on the Optec THR20 6 meter, 2 meter, 440 antenna, so don't have an HF antenna like the R20 or the KG or the K6 does. So for a little 6 meter antenna, think about how well this thing is actually working. Camera won't focus. Position a little bit stronger on the 6 meter antenna. Think about that, antenna only 54 inches in wavelength. Length. Not too bad, huh? Look at this one. This one's really coming in strong. Off a tri-band antenna. No idea what they're saying.
To protect their people. I certainly understand the mindset of the Israeli troops being slaughtered, and the IDF, the Israeli Defense Force, was desperately needed to stop that. Even if happening 3 hours, 6 hours, or 12 hours, it has been like 100 kilometers or 80 kilometers somewhere, and then for 16 hours in the mountains.
I get to the HF stuff. Jericho firing range. Boston Com 135-700. That's what that was. Come on. That's all my HF stuff.
entrenamiento por el quinto último y decisivo partido de la serie divisional rompió un récord en
No idea what he's saying.
millones de televidentes a las 11 de la
Pushing me out on the sports button.
y los Dodgers ganaron.
I did it now. I went and had to push to talk.
All secret societies has controlled the world for 200 plus years. It could be a lot at a time. I believe in the power of one person working. It can have massive impact. I believe that we have
Not sure where that is. I don't think that's Voice of America. Now Timber starts showing off.